Diagwich, hello. This week we're learning about food and drink. In Irish, food is bia and drink is juck. So let's have a look at these pictures. On Cade Ceann, the first one. Brick fásta, breakfast. You say that with me now 2 times. Brick fásta. Brick fásta. And Dara Ceann, the second one. Loan, lunch. You say that with me now 2 times. Loan. Loan. And Tríú Ceann, the third one. Dinner, dinner. Dinner. You say that with me now 2 times. Dinner. Dinner. And Cathrú Ceann, the fourth one. Juck, drink. Juck. You say that with me now 2 times. Juck. Juck. And Cúigiú Ceann, the fifth one. Bia. That means food. Bia. You say that with me now 2 times. Bia. Bia. Agus an Séú Ceann, the sixth one. Uisce, water. Uisce. You say that with me now 2 times. Uisce. Uisce. Okay, Anish, féach an Dara líne. Look at the second line. On Cade Ceann, the first one. Banya, milk. Banya. So you say that with me now 2 times. Banya. Banya. On Dara Ceann, the second one. Sue, juice. Sue. You say that with me now 2 times. Sue. Sue. And Tríú Ceann, the third one. Chiaparí, sandwiches. Chiaparí. You say that with me now 2 times. Chiaparí. Chiaparí. And Cathrú Ceann, the fourth one. Uiveacha, eggs. Uiveacha. This can be a little bit tricky to say, so you try this with me now 2 times. Uiveacha. Uiveacha. And Cúigiú Ceann, the fifth one. Burger. Burger. So that sounds just the same as it is in English, but let's say it 2 times anyway. Burger. Burger. Agus an Ceann Deireanach, the last one. Scalóga, chips. In America they call them French fries. In Ireland they call them chips. Scalóga. So let's say that one 2 times. It's a long one, so let's say it slowly. Scalóga. Scalóga. Okay. Now close your eyes, doing the hula. Open your eyes, Oscail the hula. Cén ceann a thóg mé? Which one did I take? See if you can remember. Thóg mé uisce. I took water. Say it with me. Uisce. Okay, doing the hula, close your eyes. Oscail the hula, open your eyes. Cén ceann a thóg mé? Which one did I take? Thóg mé scalóga, chips. Say it with me. Scalóga. Doing the hula, close your eyes. Oscail the hula, open your eyes. Cén ceann a thóg mé? Thóg mé Dinner. Dinner. Say it with me. Dinner. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Cén ceann a thóg mé. Which one did I take? Thóg mé. Sue. Juice. Say it with me. Sue. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Cén ceann a thóg mé. Which one did I take? Thóg mé. Juck. Drink. Say it with me. Juck. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Cén ceann a thóg mé. Loan. Lunch. Say it with me. Loan. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Cén ceann a thóg mé. Thóg mé. Brickfasta. Breakfast. Say it with me. Brickfasta. Brickfasta. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Cén ceann a thóg mé. Which one did I take? Thóg mé. Bia. Say it with me. Bia. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Cén ceann a thóg mé. Thóg mé. Uibheacha. Say it with me now. Uibheacha. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Thóg mé. Burger. Say it with me. Burger. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Cén ceann a thóg mé. Thóg mé. Banya. Milk. Say it with me. Banya. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Cén ceann a thóg mé. Thóg mé. Chiaparí. Sandwiches. Say it with me. Chiaparí. Doing the hula. Oscail the hula. Thóg mé gach rud. I took everything. Let's see if you can remember them. Try on céad ceann, the first one. Try and say it without me helping you. 1, 2, 3. Brickfasta. Inish on dara ceann, second one. Try it without me. A hain, a doe, a tree. Loan. On tríú ceann. Try it without waiting for me to show you the words. A hain, a doe, a tree. Dinner. On cathrú ceann, fourth one. A hain, a doe, a tree. Juck. Did you get it by yourself? On cúgú ceann, fifth one. A hain, a doe, a tree. Bia. I bet you got that one. On séú ceann, the sixth one. A hain, a doe, a tree. Uisce. Brickfasta. Loan. Dinner. Juck. Bia. Uisce. Okay, and ish on dara líne, the second line. A hain, a doe, a tree. Banya. On dara ceann an dara líne. A hain, a doe, a tree. Sue. An tríú ceann an dara líne. A hain, a doe, a tree. Chiaparí. An cathrú ceann an dara líne. A hain, a doe, a tree. Uibheacha. An cúgú ceann an dara líne. A hain, a doe, a tree. Burger. Agus an ceann dearnach, the last one. Bet you're going to get this one. A hain, a doe, a tree. Scialóga. Banya. Sue. Chiaparí. Uibheacha. Burger. Scialóga. Well done. If you didn't remember them all, that's fine. You can always watch the video another time to practice. Now we're going to look at how to put these words into some sentences. Okay, now we're going to look at some sentences we can say about food. So the easiest one is just this. Tá mé ag ithe. I am eating. Ag ithe means eating. Tá mé means I am. You say that with me now. Tá mé ag ithe. Let's say it 2 more times. Tá mé ag ithe. Tá mé ag ithe. Now let's talk about what we eat and when. Ihem ivacha done brickfaster. So ihem means I eat. It means it's something I eat again and again. Ihem ivacha done brickfaster. I eat eggs for breakfast. So let's say this one together 2 times. Ihem ivacha done brickfaster. Ihem ivacha done brickfaster. Now you'll probably now know what this one means. Ihem means I eat and done means for. So ihem ceapairí done lone. I eat sandwiches for lunch. Let's say it together 2 times. Ihem ceapairí done lone. Ihem ceapairí done lone. And one last one. You're probably going to guess what this is going to say. Ihem scialóga done yinéir. So again, ihem, I eat, done, for. So ihem scialóga done yinéir, I eat chips for dinner. So let's say it together 2 times. Ihem scialóga done yinéir. Ihem scialóga done yinéir. Now you might have noticed that there's a new H in the word brickfaster and there's a new H in the word dinner, and it kind of changed the way I said them, but you don't need to worry too much about that. So now let's have a look at what other sentences we could say. Well, just like the last time, the simple one is Tá mé ag óil. I am drinking. So again, ag óil means drinking. Tá mé ag óil. You say it with me 2 times. Tá mé ag óil. Tá mé ag óil. Now, just like last time, we'll talk about what we drink and when. Ólam sú le mo brickfaster. Now you might notice a difference here. Instead of done, it says le mo. Done meant for. Ihem ivacha done brickfaster. I eat eggs for lunch. But when we're talking about drinking, we usually say I drink something with. So ólam sú le with mo my brickfaster, breakfast. I drink juice with my breakfast. So it's a little bit different this time. Ólam sú le mo brickfaster. You say it with me 2 times. Ólam sú le mo brickfaster. Ólam sú le mo brickfaster. And now you're going to notice the other ones kind of follow the same pattern. Ólam bainne le mo lone. I drink milk with my lunch. Ólam bainne le mo lone. Say it 2 times. Ólam bainne le mo lone. Ólam bainne le mo lone. And our very last one today, bet you can guess what's coming. Ólam uisce le mo yinéir. I drink water with my dinner. Olam ishke le mo yiner. So let's say it together 2 times. Olam ishke le mo yiner. Olam ishke le mo yiner. Okay, Shine, that's it for today. If you don't remember all of those words, don't worry about that at all, because we're going to practice and we can look over the video as many times as you want, and if one part of the video you know it, well, you can skip that and just look at the bit that you need to do a bit more work on. So well done for practicing along with me, and slán, goodbye.